Gluten-free banana bread recipe. Banana bread is one of those recipes that everyone loves but are often apprehensive about making at home. Every coffee shop I drop into seems to sell overpriced slices of the stuff. Get ready to be surprised by how simple making nutrition-rich banana bread at home really is, and how good for you it can be. My gluten-free banana bread is a recipe that everyone, even gluten lovers, will enjoy. What's wrong with regular banana bread? You might wonder what the point of making a gluten-free banana bread is. Why mess with a classic? Unfortunately, like so many recipes we've grown up with, classic homemade banana bread, even the homemade versions, aren't very good for you. For starters, they're usually made with a whole lot of white flour. Refined carbohydrates like those don't add any nutritional value and can be difficult for your body to break down. And then there's the sugar. Traditional banana bread has a ton of refined sugar in it, leading you to a sugar high followed by a sugar crash. Sugar is one of the top foods that causes inflammation in the body, which is linked to everything from Crohn's disease and allergies to heart disease, diabetes and high cholesterol levels. Finally, while I enjoy organic butter when it adds something to a dish, normal banana bread recipes can have up to a cup of the stuff. There's just no need when you have this gluten-free banana bread that tastes amazing and is healthy, and ready to be baked. How to make gluten-free banana bread. My banana bread recipe keeps all the best parts about banana bread while making it a bit more nutritious. We'll use almond flour, a heart-healthy, low-carb alternative to all-purpose white flour. Incorporating super ripe bananas makes this bread sweet, but we'll add honey to make sure your sweet tooth is satisfied. Instead of butter, we'll get that same silky texture with coconut milk. Now this is a banana bread you can indulge in without feeling bad. Don't miss my video at the end to see how I make it. Start by preheating the oven to 350 F. Grease a standard loaf pan and set aside. In a bowl, mix together the eggs, banana, honey, coconut milk and vanilla. The vanilla extract adds a little extra flavor. In a separate bowl, combine the baking soda, almond flour, sea salt and cinnamon. Combine both of the mixtures and stir until well incorporated. Add in the apple cider vinegar and stir until it is distributed throughout the mixture. Pour the batter into greased loaf pan. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Serve the banana bread either warm or cooled, both are delicious.